Up first this evening, as controversy continues to engulf the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, a call is being made for the University Council to restore confidence in the institution. It comes from public commentator Helen Davis-White, who contends that the council needs to tell the country who will act as president while Professor Fritz Pinnock is on leave. TVJ's Debbie Wright has this prime-time news follow-up.
On Friday, President of the Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, Professor Fritz Pinnock, decided to go on 6 weeks' leave of absence to facilitate investigations into allegations of corruption at the institution. However, there has been no word from the university's council in relation to the way forward or the circumstances surrounding the decision for Professor Pinnock to go on leave. Public commentator and trade unionist Helen Davis-White says it's imperative that the council speaks on the next steps for the CMU.
The chairman needs to be out there now trying to allay fears and to ensure that while the investigations are going on, that the students, the public, and the staff can be made to feel comfortable that the institution will be able to continue even in the absence of Professor Pinnock and also while the investigations are ongoing. That is where I think the board and the council should be looking right now, because the credibility of the organization, the reputation of the organization is now at stake.
In the meantime, Mrs. Davis-White says Professor Pinnock should have taken leave long before last week.
All in all, it is the right decision. I think it should have happened before, because I think it will allow the institution to be able to have some semblance of normalcy, and that the students and staff will feel far less exposed as I think they are feeling now.
Attempts to get a comment from CMU Council Chairman Hyacinth Bennett were unsuccessful, as she declined a request for an interview. Professor Pinnock has been facing criticism following revelations about the management of the university during sittings of Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee. The most recent was a disclosure that a second household helper assigned to dismissed Education Minister Ruel Reid was the recipient of contracts from the CMU. Professor Pinnock had also previously admitted that the CMU paid out over $600,000 towards a boat party for Mr. Reid. Debbie Wright reporting for TVJ News.